Welcome to this IELTS academic writing tutorial. In this video, I'll analyze the question type and essay structure, share a band 6.5 sample essay, and summarize key phrases and practical tips to help you write your own essay. At the end, I'll point out how to improve this essay and achieve a higher score. Check the first comment for the PDF link. Let's get started. Question: These days, it is much easier for many people to travel to different countries for tourism than in the past. Do the advantages of this development outweigh the disadvantages? Question type: Before diving into the structure, let's first analyze the question type. This is an advantages and disadvantages essay. In this type of essay, you need to talk about both the good and bad sides of a topic. Then, you decide which side is more important or has a bigger impact. Structure: There are three parts to this essay: the introduction paragraph, the body paragraphs, and the conclusion paragraph. First, let's start with the introduction paragraph. In this part, we begin by paraphrasing the question to show that we understand it. For example, if the question is about the ease of travel, we might say, "Today, traveling to different countries has become much simpler than in the past." This shows we understand the main idea of the question. Next, we state the main idea of the essay. In this case, we would mention that there are both advantages and disadvantages to this development. Next, we move on to the first body paragraph. This paragraph explains the reasons why we agree with the statement or discuss the positive side of easier travel. Start with the first benefit of easier travel. One major advantage of easier travel is that people can learn about different cultures. Then, we support this point with examples. Visitors try traditional food, see famous landmarks and museums, and meet local people. Next, we give the second benefit: tourism boosts the economy. We support this point with examples. Visitors spend money on accommodations, transportation, and local businesses. Then, in the second body paragraph, we explain the disadvantages or the opposing side of this phenomenon. Again, we start with a topic sentence that introduces the main idea for this paragraph. However, there are also problems. We support this with 2 points. First, excessive tourism can lead to overcrowding. Second, some tourists disrespect local customs. Finally, let's look at the conclusion paragraph. In this part, we briefly restates the main benefits: learning about cultures, economic growth, and the main drawbacks: environmental harm, cultural conflicts. Then, we restate the opinion by saying something like, "In my opinion, the benefits outweigh the drawbacks, but responsible travel is important." Now let's go through the sample essay.
Nowadays, it is much easier to travel to other countries than before. This is because transportation has improved, flights are cheaper, and there is more travel information online. However, there are both good and bad sides to this change. One good thing about easier travel is that people can learn about different cultures. Tourists can try traditional food, visit famous landmarks, and explore museums to understand a country's history. Meeting local people also helps them learn new customs and ways of life, leading to more cultural respect. Additionally, tourism boosts the economy. Spending on hotels, restaurants, and shopping creates jobs and helps local businesses. Tour guides, markets, and transport services also benefit, supporting economic growth in many areas. However, there are also problems. Many tourist places become too crowded, making it difficult for locals and other visitors to enjoy them. Overcrowding can harm the environment by increasing waste, air pollution, and damage to natural sites. For example, beaches suffer from littering, and historical sites wear down due to too many visitors. Another issue is that some tourists ignore local customs, dress inappropriately, or behave disrespectfully, which can upset residents and lead to cultural misunderstandings. In conclusion, easier travel has many benefits, such as allowing people to learn about different cultures, experience new traditions, and support the economy through tourism. However, it also causes problems like environmental damage and cultural misunderstandings. In my opinion, the benefits outweigh the drawbacks, but responsible travel is important.
That's the end of the sample essay. While the essay is well structured and covers all required aspects, there are several areas for improvement to achieve a higher score. Below are suggestions along with examples. 1. Provide stronger paraphrasing. Current issue. The paraphrasing in the essay is not formal enough. Academic writing requires a formal tone to ensure clarity and professionalism for the context. Improvement example. Current. Nowadays, it is much easier to travel to other countries than before. Improved. In today's world, traveling to different countries has become much more accessible compared to the past. 2. Enhance thesis statement clarity. Current issue. The thesis statement should provide a clearer preview of the main points covered in the essay, helping the reader understand its structure and focus. Improvement example. Current. However, there are both good and bad sides to this change. Improved. However, while easier travel offers cultural and economic benefits, it also brings challenges such as environmental degradation and cultural conflicts. 3. More specific examples. Current issue. The examples in the essay is fairly general. Provide more specific examples or details to make the advantages clearer and more concrete. Improvement example. Current. Tourists can try traditional food, visit famous landmarks, and explore museums to understand a country's history. Improved. For example, tourists visiting Italy can enjoy authentic pasta, explore the Colosseum, or visit museums like the Uffizi Gallery to better understand its rich history. 4. Strengthen cohesion and linking. Current issue. The cohesion in the essay is not strong, making it difficult for ideas to flow smoothly. Improve transitions between sentences and paragraphs to create a more natural and logical connection between ideas. Improvement example. Current. Additionally, tourism boosts the economy. Spending on hotels, restaurants, and shopping creates jobs and helps local businesses. Improved. In addition to cultural benefits, tourism has significant economic advantages. For example, the money spent on hotels, restaurants, and shopping helps generate employment and supports local businesses, from street vendors to high-end establishments. 5. More variety in sentence structure. Current issue. The sentence structure in this essay is repetitive. We can introduce a mix of complex and compound sentences to reduce repetition and enhance the natural flow of ideas. Improvement example. Current. Many tourist places become too crowded. This makes it hard for locals to enjoy their own cities. It also causes pollution. The environment gets damaged because too many people visit. Improved. As tourism increases, many destinations become overcrowded, making it difficult for locals to enjoy their own communities. Additionally, excessive tourism contributes to pollution and environmental damage, as large numbers of visitors put pressure on natural and cultural sites. That's the end of today's tutorial. I hope this video helps you improve your IELTS writing skills. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification so you won't miss any future videos. See you in the next video.